Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up and use a web scraping API to extract your data efficiently. So step 1, choose a scraping API provider like Scraping API, Bright Data, or Decodo, and then sign up or log in to your account. Step 2, go to the dashboard of your selected API website and get your Generate API key. This key will authenticate your request. Step 3. Open your code editor and start a new project in Python or your preferred language. Step 4. Use a simple HTTP library like requests. So here is an example in Python. Step 5. Run the script to get your scraped content. You can parse the HTML using libraries like Beautiful Soup if needed. Step 6. Adjust the headers, user agents, and or proxies as needed for anti-bot protection. Now, you can scrape data without getting blocked by most websites. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.